three monks had a hermitage on the bank of a river. They decided that they will do meditation on the other side of the river, and then they started doing the meditation. As they began, one of the monks suddenly said, "We have meditated for some time. Now I have to go wash my clothes and I'll come back." And saying this, he started walking on the waters of the river and crossed that river, walking on the river. And then he came back after he completed his task. He continued meditating. The second monk suddenly said, "I think I have to go and get my mat." He got up. He also walked on the river. And then he followed the same path. And then he came back after some time. Now the third monk looked at the other two and he said, "Oh, both of you are trying to show your superiority that you can walk on the water. And you think I can't do that? I will show you how I can also do that." Saying this, the third monk took a different route, went to the bank of the river, stepped inside the water, but he fell down, and then the water was only waist deep. And then he started walking across the water, and he realized that he could not compete and defeat the other two. And he turned around and looked angrily at the other two monks, thinking how he has lost out to them. As he was walking to the other side, these two monks looked at each other calmly and said, "Should we tell him where we have placed the rocks across the river under the water on which we stepped and crossed?" Sometimes the secrets are very easy to understand if only we take the humble position and ask those who have already traversed that path. Sometimes it is easy to follow the path which has been followed by others. And instead of feeling angry and frustrated and trying to be in a mood to compete, if we simply follow in the footsteps of those who have done it, life becomes simple and easy. And therefore, in the Srimad Bhagavatam it is said, "Mahajano yena gatha sapantha." We have to follow that mark, that path which has been followed by the great souls. Dharmasya tattvam nihatam guhayam mahajano yena gatha